Hello, great Biafrans, wonderful people, lovers of freedom all over the world. You're welcome back. All right, okay, my people. Another drama played out today in court. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu keep showing the zoo and their government that he is innocent, and there has been confusion as well. The judge presiding over the case of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu Motosho has won the court, the zoo court, and giving them dates to come to conclusion, or else that the court will be over. That means Mazen Nnamdi Kanu will be set free. And because of what played out today, the court has adjourned Mazen Nnamdi Kanu's court trial to the 28th, 29, and the 28, 29 of May, and also 6th, 16, 18, 19, 19th of June 2025. Multiple adjournment. He said this date that he has given them the final date for them to come to conclusion, or else that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu's case will be thrown out. That means he will become a free man. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu's court update. However, before the continuation of the course examination of witnesses, the presiding judge, Justice Omotosho, reminded the prosecution, saying, I will give you 6 days, and within that 6 days, you rather give your witnesses, and if they don't deliver, I will close your case and move to the defense. Justice Omotosho continues. He said, I put this case on a fast move hearing, and I have my reason. I want this case closed as soon as possible. The defendant has been in detention for long, so the court will vacate and the defendant will still be in detention. I will give 6 days for you to call all your witnesses, whether they are 500 or more. Work with them this time frame. As you are enjoying your vacation, remember someone is still in detention away from his family. I guaranteed fast hearing, and it is 3 months already. This is not fast hearing, he concluded. So you see, that's a statement come from the justice presiding over the case of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, Justice Omotosho, who reminded the prosecution that he gave them 6 days for them to come up with something and conclude the case of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. And he also pointed out that Kanu has been in detention for months, that even if they have 500 witnesses or more, that he has given them enough date for them to come up with something and conclude this trial, or else that means he will handle this case on his own side, and he will conclude himself. So meaning that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu will be set free very soon. Because this thing now that this man, the judge, has just said, the zoo government, they are in panic right now, and they will not come up with something. There's no concrete evidence. The reason why they are delaying all these things, adjoining it and all that, because they have nothing against Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is innocent. And I said it before, what the Nigerian government are doing is delaying all these things. And that's why the judge, Justice Omotosho, is frustrated, is frustrated about all these things. And that's why he has come to conclusion and gave them 6 days and all these days that he shifted for them to come up with something and conclude this case. Because it shows you that the Nigerian government know what they're doing. And this is what we have been saying all this while. All this thing they are doing is delay tactics, because they have no evidence. They have nothing against Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. So all these weaknesses they are calling is just waste of time, and they keep shifting it, delaying it, postponing it, and all that kind of stuff. It's just delay tactics. This man has been in detention for getting to 3 years now, if I'm not mistaken. And every time they will come to court, they will adjourn it. What is all this for? Because they have nothing against Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. All the accusation leveled on Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, they are rubbish. They are baseless. They don't have grants over Mazen Nnamdi, nothing. So they keep delaying. The only way they will keep Mazen Nnamdi Kanu there is delaying and adjourning the case of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu to prolong his detention there. Because even if they still give these people time to come out with any evidence against, because they will not come up with anything, because they have got nothing against Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. So you see what we've been saying, talking about all this while. All this thing is just delay tactics to keep Mazen Nnamdi Kanu where he is. And we said it before, this trial shouldn't have taken place because there is nothing to try Mazen Nnamdi Kanu for. He has all the accusations towards Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. He's baseless, has got no grant, nothing. So you see now that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu said it. He would defeat them anywhere. Even if let them keep on delaying and all that. Anytime they come, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu will defeat them. He will defeat them anywhere, anytime, any day. There's no doubt about that. Since this trial of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu started, you can see the kind of confusion that they have been created in this court trial of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. And all the witnesses that they have called, they have got nothing. They will say, my lord, sir, I'm not aware, sir. No, all this kind of stuff. So that means all this while that they gave them for them to prepare for the Mazen Nnamdi Kanu trial and all that, they have nothing. No strong evidence against Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. No strong evidence whatsoever from the Nigerian side. So they keep delaying, adjourning the trial, and that's why this man, Justice Omotosho, has come, hard on them to the prosecution, saying, giving them these dates that that is just mentioned, for them to come up with something. 6 days he has given them. So we have up to today, from 28, 29 May, and 6th, 16, 18, and 19th of June to come up with something, to conclude this thing. He says he's fed up. And it shows you that if all goes well, by next month, our leader will be free. By ending of this month, ending of next month, June, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu will walk out from their detention, DSS, free. So we'll stop here. Leave your comment. God bless you all. Bye.